So we start out today's video with this gorgeous pixie style. I love the bright blonde color on this. The stylist does a nice choppy texture with full bangs going there in the front. Such a cute pixie style idea, very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have a big chop hair change. Oh, very nice. She got like a little pixie bob variation. So cute and sweet, perfect for the summer season. Very like carefree style haircut idea. Love it. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the next transformation is also going to feature a big chop. So this person had some very like burned, dried out ends. So she decided to cut her hair and let her friend do it. Now, her friend, of course, doesn't really know what she's doing. She's not a professional. Sometimes when you see these DIY hairstyles, they do come out pretty good, though. So it looks like she decided to head to the barber. Her friend wasn't doing a very good job at the cutting. And she gets a nice little pixie style. Very cute. And then we have another pixie haircut. Oh, she went red. I love the choppy texture she has as well. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. I love this red color. So pretty. And she has so much texture to play around with. I love the choppiness, the spiky feel, the baby bangs. Very cute style. Next up, we have someone with a pixie bob. So I guess she's in for a cut refresh. And we did some nice styling here. A little bit of a messy texture to this particular hairstyle. And then we leave off the video with this blonde pixie cuts. Nice, short and sweet pixie style. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.